How to use olive oil to get glowing skin. Olive oil is great for cooking and extremely healthy. However, it can also solve your skincare woes and has a wonderful effect on your skin. You can use olive oil for glowing skin and improving skin texture. Benefits of olive oil. Olive oil is considered the closest oil to match the chemical structure of our skin's natural oils. Apart from providing glowing and healthy skin, it also helps in fighting other skin problems such as blackheads and whiteheads. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Olive oil contains plenty of antioxidants such as oleic acid and squalene that help in protecting the skin from the harmful impact of free radicals which tend to hasten the process of skin aging. 2. Moisturizer. Olive oil can be used as a natural moisturizer as it contains essential fatty acids. It maintains the skin's elasticity and tends to keep it smooth, supple, and glowing. As it is a good moisturizer, it helps to keep the skin hydrated and prevents it from getting dry during winters while making it supple and lustrous at the same time. 3. Cure for blackheads and whiteheads. Olive oil is a natural cure for blackheads and whiteheads. It unclogs the pores by absorbing the impurities accumulated, thus taking care of the whiteheads and blackheads. 4. Healing and rejuvenating. With regular massage of olive oil, it can fade away scars and pimple marks, thus making your skin blemish-free. 5. Repairs skin cells. Olive oil is said to repair our skin cells naturally, unlike any other expensive beauty product. It contains vitamin E, flavonoids, and polyphenols which enhance the skin cell turnover, making your skin healthy and glowing from within. 6. Antimicrobial in nature. It can help treat skin infections as it exerts antimicrobial activity against a variety of bacteria, fungi, and viruses. 7. Reduces inflammation. Olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties can be used to treat both external and internal inflammations of the body. The benefits of olive oil for our skin are just fabulous. Doesn't applying olive oil to face for glow make sense now? However, make sure to pick up extra virgin olive oil for your beauty treatment. Extra virgin olive oil is suggested for use because it is not a refined form of the oil, hence, it has all its nutritional values conserved in it. Effective ways of using olive oil for skin. Extra virgin olive oil. 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil face cloth hot water. Using your fingertips, massage the oil on your facial area in circular motions. Try to rub firmly over your nose, cheeks, and forehead. Now, dip the face cloth in hot water. Press and hold the face cloth firmly against your face until it comes down to room temperature. Remove the cloth and rinse it using the hot water again. This time, instead of pressing the cloth, try to rub it gently all over your face while trying to remove the top layer of olive oil. Pat your face dry using a paper towel. Olive oil and lemon juice. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix the lemon juice well in the olive oil. Apply this all over the face and massage it in for a minute or two. Leave it on for 30 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water. Do a final rinse with cool water. Olive oil for skin is quite useful, especially when applied topically. All of these remedies are natural and will leave you with glowing, clear skin if you apply them daily. After all, we all desire that healthy glow without having to spend a fortune on chemically altered cosmetics. So, if you're seeking ways to use olive oil for that glow, try these cost-effective options, which may be simply prepared at home. However, before utilizing it, make sure to perform a patch test. It is safe to use on the face and body if no adverse response or irritation occurs within 48 hours.